How to change a 2017 Dodge Charger 4-button key fob battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Let's go ahead and change the battery out here on our Dodge Charger remote. First step, if you have anything attached right here, you will need to remove that. With that being said, let's flip it over. Emergency key release right here. Pull back on it. And if you notice, you have a little slot here in the top. Take a flat tip screwdriver, hold the remote firmly, and just twist the screwdriver. You're not prying. Once you twist it, you'll see that it pops open a little. Put it face down. And you want to open it the rest of the way up. That way the circuit board stays down. If the circuit board does pop out, you get that little notch right there for it to sit in. With that being said, go ahead and take your flat tip, look at your battery, come 180 across. There's an indentation here. Put the flat tip under there and you pop your battery out. This is a new remote, so I'm gonna put the same battery back in. But as you notice, this is a CR2032 battery. To reinstall it, it's in. I like to leave the pad down. And we go ahead and squeeze. Work your way around. Hey, thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there and have a good day.